Knock knock, it's Julie, and I'm bringing you along for a personal tour of Courtyard, Los Angeles, located in Hawthorne. Let's go! This is the main floor of the hotel, and it features the check-in area, a bar, lots of seating to relax or to work. You'll also find a pool, hot tub, and even a small basketball court. And if your room starts with the number 1, it's located on this floor. This is the pool area, and it is shared with Town Place Suites Hotel. Both hotels are next to each other, and they are owned by Marriott. Personally, I don't like when the pool is located outside of the hotel, but the hot tub was great. If you're someone who likes to get a workout in, even if you're on vacation, this is the place for you. The hotel has a small gym and it is well equipped. You can see the pool and the palm trees through the window as you're getting your steps in on the treadmill. There's a guest laundry room located on the second floor, right before you get to the gym. No, it is not free, and if you want to dry your clothes, to start the dryer, you'll need to put in the full amount of money, even if you don't use all of it. And I know this because the day before my flight, I went to the beach, and when I was getting ready to leave, I saw the laundry room and I thought, let me dry my clothes before I put them in my luggage. I placed 50 cents in the machine, not knowing that I needed $4 to dry 3 pieces of clothes. And no, I was not having that. And now it is time for the room tour. My room was located on the second floor, and it was a pleasant surprise. From the setup to the size of the room. When I opened this door, I was in awe. I was so happy. I didn't record my reaction, but this is it. First thing you see after you open the door is the bathroom. The only thing I didn't like about this bathroom is that the shower has no door. I had a crash out. I might make another video about the crash out, but I like the fact that it had a hair dryer and shower product like shower gel, shampoo, because sometimes those are some of the things that you might forget to pack. This closet has a 2-sided mirror, and I was totally obsessed with it. Plus, it had an iron instead of a steamer, which I actually prefer. This is where you control the AC. It can get a bit cold in the room, so you might want to use that. Behind that closed cabinet is the mini fridge and a microwave. I was actually surprised because it was the first hotel I've been to that actually give you a microwave inside the room, and it was really helpful when it comes to leftovers. This was the view from my room, and I actually really enjoyed my room. I loved the setup. I love how spacious it was. Having a clean and comfortable hotel room is really important to me when I go on vacation because I like spending time in my hotel room and enjoy my stay. So this room met all my expectations. This hotel is pretty affordable and I would recommend it, but if you want to be in the center of LA, you will need a car, and it's about 45 minutes to an hour drive, depends on where you're going. Thanks for watching. Like, comment below, and follow for more. See you next time.